Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat Pdiang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kakan hon Rwai jong kikna ki barang hapo kakan reus nem karta. Kibana ka Kiddies Corner Secondary School Shillong, kila job ya ka gold medal. Hakaran san Ïakob, kabalak tem kum ka International Festival of Choirs Grand Prix Thailand 2018. Kabalak pelong naduk ka katpra, haduk ka arpsau terek mentau naitong, kabalong ru kesien ka bakatway, naduk balas dang pelong yaka, da ka Bangkok Opera Foundation, bat ka Thai Ministry of Culture. Kabalak pelong hakasor Pattaya jong kari Thailand. Hakani kerensan Ïakob ke kenhon jong ke Kiddies Corner Secondary School, kabalak tep kum ka Casey Lights. Hak Ïakob hapre ki kenhon jong ki Rwai ki bahapo ka kanreus nem karta, kata hak kategori A2. Na pedang kikin hon na kaleng kiri jong ke doba Asia ke Casey Lights ke balayalam doba Brian Walang kala job ya ke nam lado hadin balayora ya ke takma gold medal.
I will tell you the first judge voted for India, for Casey Light. The second judge, India, Casey Light. The third judge voted for Warsaw University. The fourth one, Casey Lights. And the fifth one as well for Casey Lights. So I think it's very clear, it's Casey Lights. India are the absolute winners of this competition. Congratulations. So I will ask Casey Lights to get their medal and to get their diploma and to perform for us for one last time. Casey, let's get on the stage, perform for us for the very last time, the last song of the competition completely.
let me reach far beyond the other sea.
Hadian baka kanhon Casey Lights kelawan Pdiang no na Thailand. Kani ka kanhon kelawan poi ha Guwahati Airport hanen kasngi ka arpsan tedek unaitung. Bat haswa bakinong Rwai ken mi shabar jong ka airport. Ki bahayang asam bat kiriu Paidbah kilalaj ablupa habar jong ka airport ban Pdiang Burom ya kani ka kanhon. Kabalawara Burom ya kejela bat ya karihi berok kawai. Hadin kajing Pdiang Burom habar airport. Kat ba kani ka kanhon kadang wan pai no shanong ba shilong. Andala poi sahanong po ru ya kani ka kanhon la Pdiang Burom bat pun ko Burom sada ka kanhon jong ka radio station ka 93.5 Red FM ka balalam khman da ka station hen ikong Merida Malngyang. Hadin makalami nanong popan sa hamaulay mo yung ru kakanhon yung kaseng New Trap National Youth Front kabala ablupa hakani kajaka dabon kanta rengkat kinong patay kubor hang ni ru lapun ko Burom ya kakanhon kesilates bat kaddo sa kajingle Burom da kaseng Federation of Kasi Jaintia Angaro People Maulai Circle kabala pelong ya kani kajingle Burom hapo thank you petrol pump Maulai. Henne kasngipan kajing pungkop Burom mikinong Rwai jong kakanhon kesilates kalabeteng sa Kedis Corner Secondary School Shillong. Hakabalay don lang ru ka director jong katnan Arts and Culture ikong Matsiudor Warnong Bri kikme kikpa jong kikana bat kiwede kibala syakot skobha.
In Thailand in their policy, education policy, as long as you are able to do something, you're considered a student. Here you're not doing arts, science and commerce, you're considered nobody. But those people are the ones in real life who are doing well. When you put them into real life situations, they can perform. It doesn't mean that only those who get 90 and 99% do well in life. And all the young boys you see today and girls in Shillong who got second and third dibs, they have got their own stores, they're happy doing what they're doing. Because I think happiness is the most important thing. Being happy doing what you're doing. What I did is I asked my children, please go home and ask your parents how many are happy going to office. 99% said they're not happy. So I told my children, see, that's the thing. Because if you're not happy, you won't give your best. And education is something which is taking you for your future. So if you're a singer, why not use that and concentrate on that? So my suggestion also was to the government from class 9 to divide arts, science, commerce and vocational. So 9, 10, 11, 12, there's no pressure because those who don't maths, they can do arts. And they'll excel in it after 4 years. And then teach them a trade from class 8. Teach them either baking or carpentry. So when they have finished school, they'll be able to earn a living. Here it's only books, just academics, and that's totally wrong. The British started that many years ago. They're not doing it anymore. Why are we still continuing? And we have our own state which has so much talent. Our government can focus on that itself. What are our plus points? What do you think Meghalaya needs 5 years, 10 years from today? Groom our kids now to reach that aim. Otherwise, just blindly making a syllabus, I think is not right.